Hello students, this is your science teacher Mrs. Dipti Tamhankar from Adarsh Education Society. Today we will see chapter 6 measurement of physical quantities part 2. Standardized measurement. It is not scientifically correct to measure the physical quantities without any standard method. Hence, to keep uniformity of measurement, a standardized measurement methods have to be followed. For accurate and standard measurement, every physical quantity is measured in a standard and specific unit. For example, length is always measured in unit of meters, that is m. Standardized measurement is important because suppose the span of hand is accepted as the unit for measuring length. With this unit, we can measure lengths of cloth as 2 hand span, 3 hand span, and so on. However, the length of the cloth measured by each one of us will come out to be different. Exact measurement we will not get. That is why a hand span cannot be a standard unit for measuring length. And for measuring length, meter and centimeter, such units have to be used. Systems of measurement. Into that first system is MKS system. In this system, distance is measured in meters, mass in kilograms, and time in seconds. In the MKS systems of measurement, distance, mass, and time are accepted as the fundamental quantities. These three quantities are used to measure all other quantities. Prevailing system of measurement, the second system is CGS system. In this system, distance is measured in centimeters, mass in grams, and time in seconds. There are many physical quantities, but a majority of them are related to each other. For example, you have learned that the quantity speed is the ratio of the quantities distance and time. MKS system and CGS systems are the two systems which are used for different physical quantities such as mass, distance, time. Value and unit are used to express the magnitude of physical quantities. Now here physical quantities are given in one column, that is 25 centimeter. Here value is 25 and unit is centimeter. 2 kilometers. Here value is 2 and unit is kilometer. 4 liter. Value is 4 and unit is liter. It means number shows the value and the abbreviation centimeter, kilometer, liter, it shows the unit. International system of units. Metric system is an international system of units that is based on 7 fundamental units. You all can observe the picture over here. 7 units have shown for the quantities, physical quantities. This is also called System International, that is SI. It is currently used all over the scientific and technological world. The units of fundamental quantities such as length, mass, and time in the metric system. Length is a quantity, name of unit is meter, symbol is m. Mass is a quantity, name of unit is kilogram, symbol is kg. Time is physical quantity, name to measure the time, unit is second, and the symbol of this unit is S. History of measurement. In ancient times, for measuring things, man started using the parts of his own body. In ancient Egypt, to measure the distance, cubit was considered. A cubit is distance from a man's elbow to the tip of his middle finger. Since this distance may vary from person to person, therefore measurement of king's cubit was considered as standard. In India, in olden times, gold was measured in a unit called gunj. Gunj is actually a seed of a tree. For measuring time, an hourglass was used in olden days. And this is how history of measurement. Importance of accurate measurement. The accuracy of measurement depends upon its purpose. Thus, an appropriate device is chosen for measurements. For example, precious things, articles of great importance, and those that are needed in very small quantities have to be measured meticulously and accurately. Advancement in technology have discovered many devices that measure very small magnitudes of quantities like distance, mass, time, and temperature. For example, distance and time in connection with very important sports competitions like Olympics. Also for weighing mass of gold, body temperature, etc. The importance of accurate measurement. But if the measurement is not taken accurately, then what will be the reason for it? What are the major causes of errors in measurement? Errors occur if the appropriate device is not used. Also, if the device is not used properly, and errors do occur in measurements. Okay, so environmental errors, instrumental errors, and observational errors. It is necessary to standardize the weights and measures used in the market. Therefore, standard measures are checked from time to time by the government department. Now, responsibility of government is also important in this case, that we will see in next slide. Responsibility of the government. Weights and measures subdivision functions as part of the Food, Urban Supply and Consumer Protection Division of the government for prevention of cheating practices. The officers of this subdivision visit different places from time to time to ascertain accuracy and efficiency of weights and balances. It is binding by law to use standard weights and measures. For the production, sales and repairs of weights and measures, the Weights and Measures Subdivision grants licenses. The standard of the 6 fundamental units, viz. Meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere and candela, are kept in the National Physical Laboratory at Delhi. Student, again, as we saw, measure different physical quantities, different units have used. To measure the dam water also, there is a unit that is called as TMC. TMC, 1 TMC means 1000 million cubic feet and 1 cubic foot means 28.317 liters. So 1 TMC is equal to 28.317 thousand million liters. During rainy season, you might heard, you have seen, you are reading in the newspaper also that how much water is collected in the dam, how much water is being released about, and what is present stock of water into the dam. And all this, in this connection, these terms are important, TMC. So this is again a unit of measuring that particular physical quantity. You can find out various how many various dams are there in Maharashtra and how much water capacity they possess in month of August, September, October, and the consequences of the discharge. We have completed this lesson, measurement of physical quantities. Go through it and read the lesson. Thank you.